This dual display system here, it has a couple nice things. One is it's got these buttons over there, and as you can see, it's labeled scale 1, so you could have up to 10 scales here on these buttons. And then of course on the screen it shows the extension of the this is a scale house, so you can have scale house 1, and you could have multiple scale houses as well. And to answer a call, you've got, I'll show you here, you've got your M key. It says press M to answer. And then, of course, you're speaking through this microphone here. And you press C to end the call. Of course, we're getting feedback since the two are sitting side by side. There are two modes of operation. There's the full duplex, and then there's what's called push to talk. Right now, the unit is in full duplex, which means, first I have to answer, means the microphone is active from the instant you turn on the call, so you can speak right away. But there may be times where you need a different operation where you want push to talk, because for instance, if this intercom is too close to the like on a wall and near the scale house, and the sound is going to come into the scale house, you may want to use push to talk. I'll show you that operation. Here we have it set to where it says press M to answer, then press M to talk. So right now the only sound is coming through this intercom, and this microphone is dead until I press that, and then now sound is coming through this microphone right here. Test.